Today I will show you how to open black bars in Filmora. Open Filmora Video Editor. Import a video you like, drag and drop into the timeline. Extend the video. Now cut the video part up to 3 seconds. Right-click on this part. Go to Crop and Zoom. Click on Pan and Zoom. Click on the center part of the video and select Custom. Now lower the selected parts and place them in the center. Now click the icon on the right side in the bottom. Now press OK and you are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.